So, hey guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to take notes. We're going to learn a new tense, the future tense, el futuro. So I need you to grab a piece of paper, anything that you can write on, and copy notes with me like you would if we were in class. First we'll write the date. Hoy es el 8 de junio de 2020. You can write it however you'd like. All right, so we've got el futuro, which is the future tense. Okay, so first, what does it tell us? The future tense tells what will happen. Tells what will, or if you want to say shall, will or shall happen. So in English, I'll do a couple of examples and then I'll do them in Spanish for you. Let's see. I will go. Yes, I will go to the party. In Spanish, that would be yo iré. How about, let's see, you will travel. Next year, you will travel. In Spanish, it would be tú viajarás. Viajarás, really, accent mark. And let's do one more example. We will dance. Nosotros. Sorry if it's a little shaky. I have my phone and sorry if it's shaking. Bailaremos. Okay, so do you notice anything about these verbs in the future tense? That it's a little bit, I don't know, different from how we usually conjugate? Do you notice anything different? I wonder if any of you figured it out. So, let's see. I have sentences here to give you examples, but let's see how we form it. So, how to form. How to form the future tense. In Spanish, obviously. Okay, so here we go. First things first. Number 1. We are going to keep the verb in the infinitive. Do you guys remember what the infinitive means? Is it the conjugated form of the verb or the unconjugated form of the verb? It's the unconjugated form. So, like, let's say an AR verb like bailar. We keep it. We don't drop the AR like we usually do when we're conjugating. So we just keep the whole thing. An ER verb like comer. Keep it. We don't drop the ending. And let's say abrir, to open. Keep it. Okay, so we keep the verbs in the infinitive. These are for regular verbs. There are some irregulars, but we'll talk about that later. And number 2, then you are going to add these endings to the infinitive. And this is for AR, ER, and IR verbs. ER, and IR verbs. Regular verbs. Okay? So, let's take a look. Sorry, I gotta move some stuff. All right, so what are the endings? So let's do a little chart. Yo, to, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, ustedes. All right, so you keep the verb in the infinitive like we have here, a bailar, comer, abrir, and then you're going to add these endings to the end. For yo form, it's going to be e with an accent mark. So I will dance would be yo bailaré. Tú, you're going to add as. Él, ella, usted, you are going to add a. Sorry, my dogs are barking. Nosotros is going to be hemos. Bailaremos. And vosotros is going to be es. Bailaréis. And ellos, ellas, ustedes, han. Bailarán. Okay, so just quickly to show you full verb conjugated, I do bailar because I was just saying it out loud. So yo would be bailaré. Tú bailarás. Él o ella o usted bailará. Nosotros bailaremos. Bailaréis. And bailarán. Okay, so you keep it, leave it in the infinitive, and then add these endings. All right, so just gonna do for today a little bit of practice. So copy these down with me and you're gonna write them in Spanish. Okay, so práctica. Number 1, I'll give you this English and I'll give you the verb, the infinitive in Spanish. I will cook. The verb is cocinar. Number 2, you will sing. The verb is cantar. 3, he will eat. The verb is comer. 4, we will read. Leer. And 5, they will drive. Conducir. Okay, so right now what I want you to do is write these in Spanish. Okay, so you're gonna write these in Spanish and then in a minute or pause your video now and then play it again and you can see if you got them right. So this one is yo cocinaré, tú cantarás, él comerá, nosotros leeremos. Oh, I forgot one in Spanish. Oh, I'm gonna add one, whatever. All right, they will drive. Ellos conducirán. And we're adding one more for vosotros. You all, Spain version, will live. Sorry, it's bothering me. It's out of order, but whatever. Vivir. V-I-V-I-R, sorry. What would this one be? Vosotros viviréis. Okay? All right, so last thing I'm just going to write down for today. There are irregulars. Okay? We will continue with the irregulars tomorrow.